here we have the limited edition box, wrapped side edition. Oh my god. Nike Dunk Obsidian green. We have this greenish bluish aqua color swoosh in leather. We have in canvas material. Here it looks like leather. I thought it was leather, and it's like suede, but very fine suede. Sure, you can see suede. It is canvas and the swoosh is in good quality leather. Overall, the shoe is looking really good, and it's the latest release, but it looks awesome. Color combination, the materials are also good. Not like what I expected of a Dunk. These are premium, PRM, Nike Dunk PRM. This is from the premium collection. This suede, अगर leather देता तो अच्छा होता. I think seal laces will also look good. Bad quality. Wow, these are awesome. Looks awesome. It's had decent padding. Has the Nike logo in the back. So wow, this is my first Nike Dunk PRM, the premium Dunk. It has better materials and this color, oh wow, this green color, oh wow. मुझे लग रहा था कि I'll repent my decision of getting this pair because this was not getting sold and I didn't know why. And then too, after ordering, I realized it was suede, and very less videos of it are present on YouTube. Is one in like German or something, and the other one is just a normal video. Stick clip. Wow, these look and these are fairly comfortable because these are premium Dunks. The quality is much better. We have this beautiful blue, aqua blue swoosh. And you have very fine suede which looks like a leather, upper quality of leather, but it's different. It's not the soft suede we see normally. It's very smooth and fine, but it's suede. And here we have this canvas material. This would have been leather. This would have been leather. It would have like a killer. Maybe the look would not be this. Irakum lagto na. And you have the Nike branding over here in aqua blue. Over here you have the letters fairly visible. They have given extra laces. That's great. Sail laces. It will match the midsole, and outsole is also gray. So gray, blue and aqua blue, and overall it's a very unique color combination. Nike Dunk PRM in this colorway. This is awesome. Man, this looks so good. Seriously, it looks so good. These will look so good with jeans. Here we have the Nike branding over here. You can see, yeah. On the back, cinematic mode has its issues with focusing and stuff. It's a very underrated model, still not hyped. So I had multiple times I had the option to get it, but I didn't, despite of really liking the color combination, the looks of it. Don't go to the hype. If you like the shoe, get it. Here you have a very smooth suede. It's not leather like the hard leather which we normally get. A smooth suede. The canvas material is obsidian blue, they're naming it, and a leather swoosh and a leather back with embossed print with Nike written on it. Sail midsole, gray outsole. Swap the laces. With the additional pair of laces you get these sail color laces, and also we have the gray laces. Here we have the Nike branding, which is not that visible in this color combination. Okay, it's made in Vietnam, and the quality this is the first pair of Dunks I've worn. I have taken other Dunks like the Pandas and in hand the quality is trash. It's like plastic. But this is from the PRM collection. The quality is really nice, like much better than some Jordan ones too, the quality. But the thing is that they haven't used, I think, the same canvas they use for the Converse, because the Converse doesn't attract that much dust. This canvas material, for don't know, for some reason attracts a lot of dust because the dust particles are sticking to it. A very sticky canvas. I really like this one. It looks so good with jeans and oversized t-shirts, casually wear. It's a really good looking pair of shoes. Fairly cushion over here, fair amount of cushion. Not like this thick cushion, but fairly cushioned. You have the Nike branding inside. Tongue is also fairly padded. Just two things, they could have given this one not in suede and in leather. It would have been more durable and more wearable. And this canvas material, as this is a PRM premium collection, premium dunk, could have given this canvas. I'll make a comparison. I'll try to make a comparison. I have the Chuck 70s with the quality, but I have wore the Chuck 70. They don't attract this much dust. The dust doesn't stick to them, so it doesn't get that much dirty. But overall, great one.